Hello, my dear class. This is your English teacher, Miss Milena. Today, let's going to continue with the topic about family and social study. Here you have the activity I sent you on these are the book pages. Okay? And this is the unit from the grammar book. Meet the family. So, this is my father. Look at the father. Okay, the girl is talking about her father, and she said, "This is my father." His name is Brad. And now let's go to erase it. She said, "This is my father. His name is Brad." And now the boy, look at the boy. The boy is talking about his mother. He said, "This is my mother. Her name is Helen." So, if you are talking about a girl, you use the word her. Look, her for girls, and his for boys. His lo utilizo para boys y her lo utilizo para girls. Let's continue. It says, read and trace. This is my grandmother. Her name is Laura. In English, you said Laura. So let's repeat. This is my grandmother. Her name is Laura. Look at, this is the grandmother. Let's repeat, grandmother. Now number 2. Look at number 2. This is my brother. His name is Tom. So, what's the boy's name? The boy's name is Tom. 3. This is my sister. Her name is Sandra. Look at the sister. Her name is Sandra. Number 4, look. This is my grandfather. His name is Peter. So look at the family. Number 1 is Laura, the grandmother. Number 2, the boy. His name is Tom. Number 3 is the girl. Her name is Sandra. Number 4, his name is Peter. Peter is the grandfather. Let's continue with listen and complete. So, ahora vamos a utilizar his and her. También utilizamos my para decir mi. This is, let's complete, my father. This is my father. You can use it, and you're going to write here, let's see, the word. I'm going to use black. My father. We use his because his is for boy. Number 1, look. The father, his, let's going to use his. His name is Don. Let's repeat the sentence. This is my father. His name is Don. Number 2. This is my mother. His or her. Can we use his or her? For mother, we use her. So this is my mother. Her name is Anne. 3. This is my sister. Her name is Susan. Look, number 1 is Dawn. Number 2 is Anne. Number 3 is Susan. And number 4, look, number 4. Let's see. This is me. Look, this is the boy's family. The boy said, this is me. Este soy yo. Look. So, this is the boy's family. Mother. Look at the mother, the father, and the sister. You can use also these sentences to do the activity for the video you are going to record. You can use this. Puedes usar esta información para poder realizar el video que tú puedes hacer con tu familia, mostrando. Puedes hacerlo con una foto, puedes hacerlo en vivo y en directo con tu familia. Let's continue with this, boys and girls. Class, look, he and she. He and she and he. This is a boy. Usamos he para decir él. He. Decimos she para decir ella. Look, the girl is showing some pictures. And the boy says, who is he? Pregunta el chico, who is he? Who is he? Dice el chico. He is my brother, say the girl. Who is she? Say the boy. She is my sister, replied the girl. Now, this part over here, you need to complete the question. Look and trace and complete. Let's ask. Who is she? Repeat. Who is she? She is my mother. Number 2. Who is she? Let's repeat. She's my grandmother. Who is she? She's my sister. Number 4. Who is he? He is my brother. And number 5, let's see. Who is he? Let's complete. He is my father. Now, let's see. Okay, class, let's finish for today the class. I hope you can learn and know she and he, his and her, and use these words in your video. Have a nice and wonderful day. I love you very much and so much. See you. Bye bye.